Welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to be switching out my air intake box for a air intake filter, just like this. We're just going to pull the box out, take the MAF off, and just swap it over. We'll free up the restriction for the turbo, so you'll hear the turbo a lot better, and it'll just, like I said, it'll help it boost up better. So we'll just remove this, and take this off and swap it over. What you do first is just go ahead and pop this off. You can actually pop this off too. If you just got done driving, wrap it up in this or something so it doesn't touch the exhaust at all and burn some wires. I actually had that happen on one of my Audi A4s and it messed everything up. I did not know what was happening until I found all the wires melted. So just be careful with that. Those turbos tend to get really hot. Next we'll pop this off. And we also have a bolt right down here, so that's why we have to pop it off. So just like that. We'll set that aside because we're going to be taking this out. Right here, so this is the filter that came with my car. It's pretty dirty. Like you really can't see no light through it, so it's probably really restricted. I'm just gonna leave that there. I'm not gonna toss it or anything. For anybody out there, I recommend do not toss any of this. Just hold on to your OEM stuff. You never know when you're gonna have to replace it or put it back in. And if you toss it, you're just throwing away good money. So after that, just pop that up right there. And when you put it back, it you literally just pull it and slide it on. And then you'll have these two down here where that will go. So now we freed up a bunch of space. The only downside to this is you're gonna get quite a bit of heat, but if we create a heat shield, then we won't have that problem. So if you do this, I would look into doing a heat shield. Next, we'll take that Torx 25 and loosen up these bolts on this MAF. Go ahead and just pull it out. Be real careful, set it aside, and just put these bolts back in so you don't lose them. I just kind of zip tied it. It's whatever. If you get a filter from the like a part store, make sure it comes with the little rubber adapters. I think it's like a 3-inch or a 4-inch. So just kind of, I'm just gonna slide it on for now until I go get myself one of those clamps. And then yeah, so basically you just pop everything back on. So there we go. And then the wire, so just make sure that you're not stretching this wire out too much. You don't want to mess any of the little wires in here and make things loose, so just kind of let it fall to where it's comfortable. And that's about it, honestly. Yeah, pretty quick, simple thing to do. Now we'll go out, do a couple pulls, and you'll definitely hear it. It sounds way cooler. It's awesome, honestly. And I think if you were to get like an aftermarket smooth one of these, it kind of helps with the air so it doesn't get all restricted within here and scattered. So, all right, we're gonna go check that out now. Alright, so that's about it for this video. I went through, showed you guys the difference between the filter and then the filter box, and I think it sounds amazing. You can hear a lot more, and I think it just frees up the turbo, like I said before. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys with this beautiful scene real quick and then call it good. So thank you for watching. If you like this stuff, hit subscribe and like. Definitely helps. Share. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video.